Hello, I am Dr. Srish Joshi. Today we are discuss about carbohydrate. It is interested topic biochemistry. Mainly topics covered this PPT in chemical structure of carbohydrate, classification, source of biochemical significance, metabolism, hexose monophosphate shunt, electron transport chain. At first, carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are compounds of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen in the ratio of 1 ratio 2 ratio 1. Hydrogen and oxygen occur in the ratio 2 ratio 1, similar to the found in water. They are also called saccharide because they are sugar or are polymer of sugar or monosaccharide. Example of carbohydrate: glucose, you know very well, fructose, starch, glycogen, sugar, and cellulose. Molecular structure of carbohydrate. Chemically, carbohydrates are aldehyde or ketone derivative of alcohol with more than one OH groups. In classification, carbohydrates are classified into three types. Number one, monosaccharide. Number second, oligosaccharide. Number third, polysaccharide. At first, today we are discuss mainly monosaccharide. Monosaccharide in chemical formula CnH2nOn. N is number of atoms. The number of carbon molecules in monosaccharide vary from 3 to 7. Monosaccharide, simple sugar, also known with one saccharide molecule. They are represented by general formula CnH2nOn. The number of carbon atom in monosaccharide vary from 3 to 7. The carbon atom from the unbranched straight chain joined together by single covalent bond. A monosaccharide molecule has two functional groups, one carbonyl C double bond O and second hydroxyl OH group. In basis of number of carbon, monosaccharides are divided into following type. If the carbon molecule number 3 carbon, they are called triose. If 4 carbon molecule, they are called tetrose. If the carbon molecule number of carbon 5, pentose sugar, and 6 carbon molecule are present, you are very well known in this example glucose, they are called hexose sugar. Carbohydrate, mainly monosaccharide, is divided into following: triose, tetrose, pentose, and hexose or heptose. 7 carbon molecules are called heptose. Mainly, at first we are discuss triose, smallest carbohydrate molecule of 3 carbon atom C3H6O3. C3H6O3 is chemical structure of triose. They are formed only during metabolic breakdown of hexose. Hexose means 6 carbon molecule as like glucose, fructose. They do not occur in nature. Example: glyceraldehyde, dihydroxyacetone, and other tetrose. Tetrose, you well known, we are discussed with 4 carbon atoms C4H8O4 and pentose with 5 carbon atoms C5H10O5. Ribose sugar, ribulose sugar, arginose sugar, xylulose sugar, and other type. I think you note down triose, smallest carbohydrate molecule with 3 carbon atoms. They are found only during metabolic breakdown of hexose and tetrose, write down, and pentose, write down. Next, most important, hexose. Hexose monosaccharide is base of saccharide with 6 carbon atoms, C6H12O6. Example are glucose or dextrose, fructose and galactose and other. All of them are represented by the same formula C6H12O6. Glucose, fructose and manol differ only in their first and second carbon atom. Number of carbon, first and second. The carbonyl group of glucose is attached to the first carbon atom and form aldehyde group, but in fructose it is found in second carbon and ketone. Next, heptose, fifth one, monosaccharide heptose with 7 carbon atom, C7H14O7. Note down. Chemical structure of carbohydrate is mainly 3 carbon glyceraldehyde, 4 carbon, 5 carbon pentose and 6 carbon hexose, glucose, fructose and monosaccharide. In chemical reaction, monosaccharide C6 hexose sugar H12O6, if react water H2, no any reaction. Glucose, no any reaction. Chemical formula, fructose pentose ring so and glucose hexose 6 benzene ring so and galactose also benzene type rings. Monosaccharide, you also done it. Number 2, oligosaccharide. Oligosaccharide is mainly 2 to 10 molecule of monosaccharide unit joined by glycosidic bond. Based on the number of monosaccharide units, oligosaccharide may be of following type. Number 1, disaccharide, trisaccharide, tetrasaccharide. Now, next class started of disaccharide. Thank you.